Hello guys, welcome back to Custom. Just a quick video I got for you. We're just going to change the headlights on the 2008 Legacy. Like and subscribe. So that's what the lights look like now. It's a little fuzzy, but we're gonna change it later. So we're gonna change the bulb, and this one, as you can see, is full of water, but we're gonna change the headlights anyway. Let me show you what to do. So first thing first, you gotta take this out. 2 pop clip, 1, 2, pull this out. Headlight is right there, so there's like a little cap. You just push this. There's 2 holders, just twisted bottom, and it comes out. So to take the light out, you see this little tab right here, you gotta push out this way, push out, and the bulb, oh, hold on, I think I need to take out the connection first. Okay, take this connection out, and here is the light. So let me get the new one and we'll install it. Okay, bought the lights from Napa, so here's what they are. Let's install them. There is a way to install it, so watch the tab and see how it goes when you're installing it. So I'm gonna twist it until I get the right angle for it. There is a way to put it in. Now put the little holder clip on there. Done. Let's test it. All right guys, there you go. Looks pretty good. I know it's hard to see with the fuzz and the water that's in there, but it looks really good. As you can see, this one is not even on. It's even not working. Wow. Okay, I didn't even notice that, but that's great. Let's go and do this one. All right, to get access to this light, you gotta take this off. Hold on, I need my screwdriver. So take this little cap off, just one twist, it should come off. Then you should be able, come on, it should come off. There you go. And move this to the side. Now you can twist, take it out, unplug. Now same way, see the little clip right here, push down and out, and then the light comes off. There you go. Here's the new one. You just do the whole thing in reverse. Put it in, slightly twist it until you find, because there's only one way it goes in. And also try not to touch the lens when you're replacing those bulbs, because it's very sensitive. All right, it's in. Now plug in. Now go back in and then put the little holder clip. Grab this, twist it back down. Done. Let's test the light again. All right, nice. All right, that's all good. She's done. Hey guys, now we know the light is working. Don't forget to put this back. And done. Don't forget this cover back too. Okay, cover is on. Now we can put this air duct back in. 2 clips. Done. All right guys, another one bites the dust. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Until the next one, peace.